Question 3. So, as so often is the case with M1, the secret is in a good diagram. So here's the diagram representing all the information above. So we've got our pivots A and C, we've got the normal reaction of R and 5 times that amount, 5R. We've got P being X away from A, Q being 2X away from A, and so on. So make sure you're clear with that diagram, because once you've got the diagram, this is fairly straightforward, I think. So let's start off just by resolving upwards. So we've got our upward forces of R plus 5R equaling our downward forces of the 3 weights of 75G plus 75G plus 30G. So from that we can work out that R is 30G. Now this is important, I think. To make life simple, it's easiest to take moments about A, because then everything is just to the right hand side of A, so we don't have to totally worry about exactly where P and Q sit, because they're to the right hand side, so they're bound to be generating clockwise moments. So choose to take moments about A. So our clockwise moments are 75G times X, 75G times 2X, and 30G times 3. And our only anti-clockwise moment is our 5R times a length of 4. But bearing in mind that R we've just worked out to be 30G, that's 5 lots of 30G times 4. And then we can just solve this. So we divide through by G, and then simplify to give us this. And working through the algebra, we get X being 2.27 meters. Now for part B, state 2 ways in which you have used the assumptions made in modelling the plank as a uniform rod. So here we really want to really make one comment with regard to the word uniform, and one comment with regard to the word rod. So the fact that it's uniform means we can choose to let the mass act at the centre of the plank, and the fact that it's a rod means we can just assume that the plank does not bend, or similar wording for the same fact.